Hello there, everyone, and Assalamu alaikum. Today's presentation is mainly about Creative Tree, a venture that was initiated by two founders, Sarim Khan and Muhammad Amin. So basically, this Creative Tree addresses the issue of unemployment and mainly, aims at helping students to find a part-time job as well as, graduates to get a full-time job. Excuse me. So mainly, this venture is actually helping, or the main goal or the aim is just to help the society get out of the unemployment situation, and at the same time generate income for the venture itself and to grow, right? So as everyone knows, like Pakistan, as per the most recent report of Pioneer, is emerging a freelancing country. Right now it's like the third largest or the biggest country in the world. Number one is the US and number two is the UK. So Pakistan is like aspiring to be the second largest country, in freelancing. So our aim is just to help Pakistan, to help and aid Pakistan to run fast in that race and actually achieve that purpose quickly. So quickly, moving towards the presentation. So what we're doing, like we're trying to do, is we're just trying to open up a freelancing platform for Pakistanis itself, which is going to address the needs of Pakistani freelancers. So mainly we're just trying to keep it to the Pakistani freelancers, but the clients would be like from throughout the world. So we don't mind, like we're just trying to get investors from anywhere in the world who are just looking for quality people to work with. So quickly talking about the project itself, let's move towards, so basically this is our website. It says creativetree.com, but recently we've just changed it to kamau.com. That's being uploaded, right? And the main purpose is just to connect with the Pakistan's best freelancers and get clients complete their project and get the best workforce in the world. So mainly how we justify this topic is, there's market, there's insight, we're just trying to cover, the market with, freelancers, with passionate people, we're helping, with setup entire works, like we're helping students, graduates who are seeking jobs to get jobs, right? And in the same way, expanding freelancers marketplace in Pakistani, society interconnecting, basically ensuring transparent communication, in the workplace. At the same time, we're just trying to solve fundamental problems of unemployment. We're just addressing the market gaps that mainly are being missed by the existing freelancers like Guru, Upwork, and Fiverr, etc. So their main consideration is the client, not the freelancer. So most of the times, the freelancers, they face several problems. So we are actually going to provide equal attention to both. Then personal experience as a buyer and seller. Basically Muhammad Amin and both founders are freelancers. They've been doing freelancing like for years, and they've just realized that this problem with the freelancers, not being treated properly is actually increasing. So that's actually the main motivation to help other freelancers get the right platform where they're being dealt properly. Excuse me. So moving towards the next slide. So this is actually the front end of the website that's been changed now. Now it's been just moved to kamau.com, but this is the initial website that was just prepared as a demo. So demo of the work, right? So basically there's freelancers, if someone's looking for jobs, or you can just click here and change it to freelancers or clients or whatever. You can just move ahead and search and find the right person or right client. Talking about the problem, the main problem is brain dead, because we've got a very energetic and enthusiastic people, but again at the same time there's unemployment. Professionalism is poor. Obviously, we just want to address that issue. Then there's competitive marketplace and international platforms. There's a lot of competitions about creating our own platform. We just want to make sure a healthy competition between our own people, right? So obviously That way, we would eliminate the external competition. Moving to it, a value proposition. So like we just want to start off like as we're from Nest. So we just want to start off from Nest. We just want to facilitate Nest students, right? We just initially, we've already formed like over 20 freelancers have joined us through Nest. We just want to get started through Nest, do a test run with Nest students, and then we'll just open the platform for other big universities like LUMS and IBAs, etc. And then we aim in the start that we have a branch or kind of a facility of freelancing in every university. Our portal should be visible. People should be able to join as a student, and we would actually support them. Then the system, how it's going to work is like there would be a review system, like just like everywhere. So freelancers' performance would be judged through reviews, fair price estimates, gamify points to keep clients coming back, as a repeat clients, etc. Then freelancers portfolio, they would be allowed to do portfolios. That would be backed by their skills, and everyone will be provided with a equal opportunity. Now, market size is basically, Pakistan's, as I already discussed, fourth largest, freelancing country, as per the, report. And then fresh talent is always there. We're just going to get that from Nest. Talking about the revenue model, we're just going to, take percentage from clients and freelancers. Then we would just introduce subscription models, packages for both clients and, freelancers. We will also run Google Ads once we get enough traffic on the websites, and affiliates could also be a good source of, making income. Then next, talking about milestones that we achieved so far. So basically, we have created a website. We've got a few initial clients, as discussed earlier. We're already in the marketplace, like freelancing, both freelancers, and we've got skilled and clients available. We've already joined. We've just done a few projects recently, outsourced to a few freelancers, and it was pretty much done very well. Right, the experience was great. Then the website's created. A few clients have joined us. We've trained a few people from Nest, and they are actually active freelancers with us. So that's been achieved so far. Then also talking about the platform and what we've achieved. We have actually made to the final Microsoft Imagine Cup national finals. Then we've achieved over 100k plus rupees. With freelancing, that was per month, right? And that includes personal working and giving, like utilizing freelancers and everything. Building a base freelancers, that's been done as discussed earlier. A client along with the social media presence, telemarketing, web development, etc. They can easily get work from us. Website applications. Also, we sent applications to different incubators, because right now we need to expand. And we're looking for partners to help us expand and spread the word of mouth for us, like so people can join us, and we can grow bigger by joining hands, right? So that's pretty much it. That's the whole purpose of this I'd say presentation, or this startup. In a nutshell, we're just trying to build a marketplace for freelancers and clients to just come together. But our focus is promoting Pakistani freelancers. And again, we're just addressing the need, as like we just want to help the unemployment issue. We want to bring in the revenues from like outside Pakistan clients to Pakistan. That will actually help us boost the economy. And as I said, Pakistan's almost going to be the second largest freelancing platform very soon, right? So we need to have our own platform where we can represent our skills. This platform will actually increase the image of Pakistan in the world. So thank you so much for your time. I will look forward to actually hearing from you very soon. You have a good one. I'll see you then. Bye.